LibreELEC versus CoreELEC. Which media OS is better? Choosing the right media operating system can completely change how you enjoy your content without the hassle of performance issues. Let's explore both options briefly. LibreELEC and CoreELEC are popular media operating systems designed for home theater PCs. The core difference lies in their target hardware. LibreELEC is optimized for a wider range of devices, while CoreELEC focuses on Amlogic-based hardware. LibreELEC is a lightweight Linux-based operating system designed specifically for running Kodi, a powerful media center application. It works seamlessly on a variety of devices, from Raspberry Pi to traditional PCs. LibreELEC features a simple installation process and an intuitive interface, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. Its strengths include broad device compatibility, regular updates, and a vibrant community for support. However, it may not perform as optimally on certain hardware configurations compared to specialized systems. Ideal users are those who want flexibility and ease of use across various devices, ensuring they can enjoy their media experience without technical complications. CoreELEC is a specialized operating system tailored for Amlogic devices, providing an optimized environment for Kodi. This OS is designed to leverage the hardware capabilities of Amlogic chipsets, resulting in superior performance and stability when streaming media. CoreELEC boasts features like hardware acceleration and support for 4K video playback, ensuring a high-quality viewing experience. While it excels in performance, its limitation is that it is primarily compatible with Amlogic devices, which may restrict users looking for broader hardware support. The ideal user for CoreELEC is someone who owns Amlogic hardware and desires the best possible performance for their media playback. When comparing LibreELEC and CoreELEC, consider your hardware. LibreELEC shines with its versatility, working on multiple devices, making it ideal for users with varied setups. However, its performance may lag on specific hardware compared to CoreELEC. On the other hand, CoreELEC is a powerhouse for Amlogic devices, delivering exceptional performance and stability, particularly for high-definition content. If your priority is performance on Amlogic hardware, CoreELEC is the clear choice. Conversely, if you prefer a more flexible solution that works on various devices, LibreELEC is the way to go. Both systems offer unique advantages, so the best choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and hardware compatibility. If you seek flexibility and compatibility across various devices, LibreELEC is the recommended choice for your media operating system. For those with Amlogic devices looking for optimal performance, CoreELEC is the ideal solution. Each operating system has its strengths, so choose based on your hardware and media needs for the best experience.